You can now filter repository entries in all categories using the search field on top of the repository tree view. For example, enter a string test. All repository entries including jobs, routes, and metadata that contain test in their names are displayed in the tree view. The names of the opened perspectives are now shown by default in the upper right corner of Talend Studio. To show the icons only, you can right-click the Perspective tab and click the Show Text option in the context menu. With the March release, the test run view has been redesigned. You can now have multiple inputs and outputs. Let's take a closer look with some examples. The first case here is the multiple inputs. As you can see, you have now 2 tabs which each corresponds to the 2 inputs of your structure. With this feature, you can easily change the sample data used by a drag and drop action or by clicking the Select New Sample Data button. The second case here is the multiple outputs. When you click the Execute Test Run, if you have multiple output, you can see multiple tabs that appear in the test run view. 2 new options are also available to help you open a preview of the sample data, and also to open the results of the last execution. A new view is available in the Mapping Perspective, DSQL Parameterized Expressions. With this feature, you are now able to create flexible and adaptable parameterized expressions that you can reuse in your DSQL maps. The view contains the list of parameterized expressions on the left and their definition on the right. Let's create an expression now. When creating an expression, you need to enter a name that must be a valid and unique DSQL identifier. Once done, it appears on the left. The second step is to edit the expression by adding parameters and content. For example, the content of the expression can either be a parameterized expression, a record, or a subquery. Now let's take a look on how to use the newly created parameterized expression. For example, you can call the expression just like a function. Finally, you can choose to display the defined parameterized expression in the DSQL script view.